Are you tired of getting dominated and pounded when you face Baw-Li-Guhh-Lang? Good, because in this video I will show you exactly how to defeat Baw-Li-Guhh-Lang in chapter 1 of Black Myth Wukong. Baw-Li-Guhh-Lang is an optional Yaguai Chief mini-boss fight that you encounter in chapter 1 of Black Myth Wukong. Located in an optional area of the bamboo grove, this toad guai will ambush you as you explore a marsh and can use its long tongue as a formidable weapon. A gargantuan Yaguai toad, Baw-Li-Guhh-Lang will waste no time leaping into battle with a powerful slam attack from the air. While he doesn't have many moves, they can often land extremely quickly, which means you'll need to be ready to dodge at any moment. His most standard attack includes a series of swipes with both arms that sends him forward, ending in a small leaping splash attack that allows him to reposition. By dodging the first swipe to the side, you can wait for him to leap back towards you and then use Immobilize to keep him in place while you attack. He can also use any of these swipes and slams independently as well as in a 3-hit combo. So look for a follow-up attack before deciding to commit to countering with your own attack. There are two extremely fast and damaging attacks you'll need to be aware of. The first comes when he's directly facing you, and the toad will pause momentarily, lowering his arms across his chest. He'll then lunge at you belly first in an extremely quick dash, and you'll have to dodge the body slam quickly to the side before striking back. Be wary when dodging around to his back, or when you see him reposition himself by hopping and turning his body. Instead of landing from the hop, he'll spring out his legs with surprising reach to perform a frog leg kick with massive power, and can use it twice in a row. Finally, he can unleash a tongue attack that sweeps back and forth with a large reach several times, and will require you to dodge back and forth out of its path, or use your Immobilize to stop him in the act. Using your Red Tide spell to transform can also help out during these attacks, as he'll be vulnerable to getting hit from the side. When Baw-Li-Guhh-Lang finally falls, he'll leave behind his purple spirit and a tadpole material. Using your new Blessed Gourd upgrade, you can now absorb the spirit and add Baw-Li-Guhh-Lang's power to your own, and temporarily transform to unleash a tongue attack against several enemies. If you decide to commit to cultivating his spirit and upgrading its damage potential, you can use the tadpole he dropped to further upgrade it later on. If you want to know how to use this spirit, you can watch our video on it here, and if you want to know how to upgrade the Baw-Li-Guhh-Lang spirit by collecting all the tadpoles, you can watch our video on this here. Well, that's all you need to know to defeat Baw-Li-Guhh-Lang in Black Myth Wukong. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like.